Hey, welcome to this episode today. I'm Ainul Chaudhry. I'll be talking today is how to adapt a growth mindset. So I know like a lot of you going to start a new business or like you have a new resolution for 2024 and you're trying to adapt the mindset of like how you can win, how you can grow yourself and take it to your business next level. Oftentimes like it's not only about business, it's about your relationship, your personal growth, or like you want to achieve like a best version of yourself on a health wise. And the problem is you cannot go further because of your limiting belief, the problem with your mind with, like you cannot believe like you can do it, or like you can stick around with the certain goals you have created for yourself you want to achieve in 2024. So having a growth mindset can help you to get to there faster, because the problem is like it's not about the task we do, it's like how we do it and how we think and reframe it. So oftentimes it's a problem like when we start something like a new project, new goals, it's just our mind who tells us like are we able to do that or not, because this is where our action comes in. Like if your brain is telling you like you're not worthy and you're not able to generate the results you after, right, then it creates like you being lazy. Then after that like you don't take any action, and without action you don't see any results. So obviously if you don't see results you get disappointed, right, you feel like a failure and you cannot do like what you want to do. So there is a certain ways like you can have a growth mindset. So first of all is like accepting, so accepting like you can't do it anything. So believe in yourself and like having a growth mindset on like if I don't know like how to do that task, or like I don't know how to get there, obviously I'm going to learn. So you have to have like a learning mindset, like I'm going to learn whatever the thing is. And when you have like an open mindset towards that, then this is the new opportunities comes in. Because oftentimes like if you don't have like a learning mindset, obviously you don't have any growth mindset. So growth comes when you learn certain things certain way and develop new skills. And this is where our brain grow. It's like a similar to it is like when you go to like a gym, or like you're doing a weightlifting and you put pressure on your bicep, your triceps, and the more pressure you put in, the more learning curves is going through your muscles, the more it grows. Similar with your brain as well. The more pressure you can create on your brain with a certain task you want to do or create, the more brain waves it creates and generates like your growth mindset as well. So oftentimes we see this is a problem, and I've been working with a lot of entrepreneurs and in the past few years, and everyone is kind of similar, like holding them back is their limiting belief, like they cannot do certain tasks certain way because they don't believe in it, like they be able to do certain things. And oftentimes holding them back is like their own mind, right? And their own mind is like their biggest enemy in order to achieve something. So when you have like a learning mindset and you open to like learning new things, because be real, right, like now is like a technology going so fast. If you are business owners like, or like you trying to learn new skill or new set, is every time is changing. And if you don't adapt with the like a system is being created right now, like you have to learn new AI, new things like every single time, new technology, like that way like a phone used to work and 10 years back right now is like a different way is working, but 10 years from now it will be like a different, could be we don't have any physical phone, could be it's like a virtual phone, and that could be like that truth. So you have to adapt in the learning mindset that as we go through the process the more we can have understanding. And another thing like I would like to mention, like as you grow through like the learning process, the milestone you achieve, even though it's the smallest thing, like probably you have a goal, like if I go for a run 5 minutes a day, I'm not saying like a big goal, or like 1 hour if you haven't run before, right? If you have like a biggest goal, like I want to be running from like 1st of January, let's say about 1 hour, and you don't do that, you probably do about 5 minutes and then get out of breath, then obviously you're gonna get disappointed. So I wanted to have like a small goal, probably if you haven't run before, like now you're getting into it, start with the 5 minutes, then increase it to 7, then 10, then 15, then 20. So slowly get there, and as you achieve that small goal, probably the 5 minutes you run today, or like the next day you do 7, celebrate these kind of success that actually help you with your growth mindset, because you can like create like a different level of dopamine, and that gonna help you to boost your energy and feel like you're gonna go after like your goals again. And whenever like you feel like disappointed, discouraged, try to seek help for others. So it could be like your coach or someone like you want to help you, you can get there, or like you being part of any community. So there is a lot of communities like Facebook groups or other platforms like you can join with if you are running a business and you feel like lonely in the top there and there is no one else, and you're working on your like a growth mindset. So you can be joining with like other entrepreneurs, small business owners group, or if you're going through like a process of losing weight, you can part of like another weight loss or like weight building or like muscle building groups in on the Facebook or any kind of platforms. So where you can connect with others, like whatever you're going through, feel like disappointed, you can have your questions and they can answer you. And like when you have like a certain moment, you don't feel like someone can be accountable for you as well. Or could be someone like here in your social circle or like your friends or family members that like who can help and guide you through that. So these are steps can help to get to like where you want to be in order to get to like a next level of your business. So I hope this helps in the video. If you need like a further help with your mindset or like you need a guidance, you can be part of my free community. The link will be in the description. You can connect with the other entrepreneurs like yourself, or if you want like any mindset training, there is a free training in there as well, and we can walk you through like how we can uh, create an adaptable mindset for your growth. So hope you enjoyed our conversation and this video. If you like, please share with your friends and like in the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll hope to see you in the next video. Take care.